Hi, I'm Irina, and today I'm gonna show you how I would explain a problem that showed up this year on AP Pre-Calculus exam, and that's question number 4. It's kind of long, so I'm just gonna do part B and actually just the function k. All right, let's get to it. So here is the question. So you see number 4. And question B is having this, I'm going to do just trigonometric one. So it says rewrite k of x as an expression in which tangent x appears exactly once and no other trigonometric functions are involved. So this is the one we're going to do. Oh, well, I copied it here. So questions like this come down to just simplifying trigonometric functions. Well, they mentioned in the question that tangent you should keep. Well, that means cosecant has to disappear. Well, how is that going to work? Well, certain things in trigonometry you should just know, which is trigonometric identities. You should be memorizing them. But there's so many of them. Which one are we going to use here? Cosecant is squared. That's a big hint that you should use Pythagorean identities. Well, the main one is, you probably know it, sine squared x plus cosine squared x equals 1. Theoretically, you could use it here by changing cosecant into 1 over sine, but that's going to be so complicated. It's much better to know the one that is directly connected to cosecant. And that's the one that works with cotangent. So there is one, cotangent squared x plus 1 equals cosecant squared x. All right, we got cosecant, but this one has minus 1. Well, this doesn't, but it's really easy to fix that. You just subtract 1 from both sides, and then you get cotangent squared x equals cosecant squared x minus 1. Well, awesome. So now we got exactly the same expression, so that parentheses is just cotangent squared x. So I'm going to rewrite k of x now. So we have 6 on the top, then we have this tangent, and instead of this parentheses, I now am going to write cotangent squared x. Well, okay, well, cotangent is not allowed either. So that means we need to use another identity, which would be reciprocal identity. So relation between tangent and cotangent is that cotangent x equals 1 over tangent x. Well, we have to have our cotangent squared. All right, let's square it. So that means we'll get cotangent squared x equals 1 over tangent squared x. All right, let's plug it in. So this goes instead of cotangent. 6 over tangent x times 1 over tangent squared x. Okay, well, that's just like fractions. We can simplify fractions. That's tangent to the first power, that's tangent to the second power. Well, tangent squared x is tangent x times tangent x. So one of them is gonna be canceled. And now I'm getting 6 over 1 over tangent x. That is like 6 divided by 1 over tangent x. Division means copy, switch, and flip. So I will do 6 times tangent x over 1. Well, that one is not doing anything, so the answer is 6 tangent x. And that answer only has tangent, and that's exactly what they want. So we are done here. Thank you for listening. Hopefully see you on Wyzant.